In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the considerations that come into play when you are establishing an advance directive. And so the first thing I want to do is establish the difference between a living will, a living trust, and a will, and an advance directive. So a living will is a declaration, a directive to your agent that says, if my doctor determines that I have a terminal illness, where the application of artificial life-sustaining procedures would serve only to delay the dying process, then I direct that such artificial procedures be removed and that I be allowed to die naturally. What we're contemplating in that scenario is the Terry Schiavo situation. To refresh your memory about Terry Schiavo, she lived in Florida and she was in a persistent vegetative state. Her husband wanted to remove the feeding tube and the hydration. Her family thought that she had a chance of recovery because one of her relatives alleged that she smiled at her. And so there was a disagreement that went all the way to the Supreme Court of Florida. And ultimately the husband won at court and gained the right to remove her artificial life-sustaining procedures. He won the fight and managed to pull the plug. Now, what you're doing when you establish a living will is you are taking that decision out of your agent's hands and you're saying, I direct you to remove those artificial life-sustaining in the procedures if I'm ever in that situation where I have a terminal illness as confirmed by my doctor.